The 15th annual Hoodoo Heritage Festival introduces another sensational presenter, Lady Muse.
Greetings, I'm Lady Muse. Welcome to House of Self-Empowerment. We are looking forward to seeing you all at the 15th annual Hoodoo Heritage Festival, where not only I will be your MC again, but I will be putting on my master strategist hat and taking you on a journey as we explore how proper timing can turbo boost your root work. We will explore the days of the week, the planetary hours, the sun and moon cycles, void of course, ascending clock hands, descending clock hands, the astrological sun and moon sign of the target, and much more. I can't wait to see you all August 13th and 14th, 2022 at the virtual Hoodoo Heritage Festival. Get your tickets now at www.hoodooheritagefestival.com. We have a lot of ground to cover, so let's get to work. I'll see you there.